Hello Pathway Online, this is Andy making another math video for you guys. Today we're going to be talking about exponents and how you can enter them in your calculator and work with them. So exponents, we'll talk about a little bit of what they are. Forgive my horrible writing, but the exponents are when you take a number, the same number, and multiply it by itself and how many times you should do that. For example, like if we have 2 to the power of 2, that would equal 2, and then we multiply it twice. 1, 2 times. If we did something like 4 and we do times 5, we'd know we do 4 as our number and multiply it 5 times. I'm sorry. You ever just write what you say? That's exactly what happened. Well, 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. So you would do it you're multiplying 4 5 times, and that's what exponents are. And so one thing that often comes up on the chat and we wanted to talk about was how to find exponents on your calculator. So I've found different calculators that do the same job. I'm going to start off with the TI calculators. On TI, this is a TI 36X Pro. This one is a little different because you would have this one right here to help you out. And I don't know if you could see that, but what that basically has is an X and then a box over it. And so you would enter your number and then hit this, and you would be able to it would be able to shift your little cursor up. So that's that one. Let's go on to the little smaller dude. This is a TI 30X. This one goes with a popular sign called the caret. The caret is a pretty snazzy guy. So let's say we wanted to do this one right here. We would go 4 caret 5, and that's how it would look in our calculator. Is this little caret would shift that 5 up and send it up to heaven. So that is for that one. Look for the caret every time that you usually get a calculator. That's how you usually do exponents. Let's go to the bigger dude. This one's a TI 84 Plus. This one's a little bit more of an expensive calculator, and this one also has a caret. Like I showed you last time, it was just a simple caret. Okay, and this one is your Casio model. This one, you're going to actually use this guy right here. It has the same little doohickey where you just push this and it'll send your dude, your cursor up to the top, and you'll be able to put in stuff. This is actually my favorite type of calculator for the simple reason that you can see all the math that you're doing in the calculator. It like has multiple levels, and it's a really nice calculator. If you guys don't have one, you're in the market, I suggest this one, Casio Natural Display. And then finally, the calculator probably most used by tutors is this calculator on your iPhone, and this one's a little tricky, but it's this one right here, this X up to the Y. And what you're going to do is you're going to type in your first letter, first number. You go 12, or in our case 4, and then you press this, and it'll blink the number, and then you push in 5. And that's the number on top, and then you can press equal, and then it'll work it out for you. But if you don't see it blink, then you haven't touched that. So watch for it to blink. And Samsung calculators are about the same. So hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and thanks for watching. I'll make a video in just a second about more about section 2.1 and exponents and how they can really accelerate your math. Thanks for watching.